Hey guys, welcome to Trading with Dan. This is our Bitcoin and Ethereum indicator update for what day is it today? The 27th of April. Let me see what day we're on. Monday. I must have known it was a Monday. It's Monday. This is what happens when you trade Bitcoin. You don't really know when is the weekend and when isn't the weekend. Anyway, so right over to the Bitcoin 15 minute. Again, still in the 15 minute DMT buy trade. Very quiet price action. Obviously this pump up towards the 7,800 and we're just hovering around the 7,700. Very quiet today price action wise. 25 minute Dominator. Not a lot gone on here really. We just had that sell and that buy that we looked at yesterday. And then so waiting for a 25 minute Dominator sell signal to come, probably over this evening. So if we go over to what are we looking for? We are looking for the Ethereum 15 minute. Here we go. Ethereum 15 minute getting quite close to that sell line. We've touched this one now, so it's at just over 190 now. Obviously it was just under 190 yesterday. So that might be close to coming to a sell. Topped out at pretty much the nice round number of 200. I imagine there will sell orders sat up there, sat up waiting to sell the 200 00. 25 minute Dominator for Ethereum. Again flip-flopped around yesterday. Flip quite a lot. If you look at this, it went sell buy pretty quickly, but yeah, that buy trade did go up a little bit, nothing major, and then the sell trade has come down a little bit. We'll measure that just to have a look how much it did come down. So let's say around here, and it did come down. Oh, so it was a good move, came down about 3%, so that would have been a decent trade. We'll have a look at this buy trade as well. This buy trade that triggered, obviously you'd have been flip-flopping around in the trade, but you would have got up to like 1.5, down a little bit, and then up to about 2.5. So that would have been a decent trade as well. So if you'd had the bot on for that, you would have got a couple of percent trades at least. Yeah, so that's it really. Hard to say necessarily what's going on with Bitcoin, other than again it just seems like we're following the stock markets. So it's just going to be a case of who blinks first. Are the bulls or the bears? Are we going to keep going up in stocks and Bitcoin, or are we going to start to come down again? Who knows? But anyway, so that's it for today though. So I'm going to quickly do another interesting video after this on USO and the oil market, and why USO might blow up, and we've got a few problems going on there. But I'll explain that in my other video. But anyway, thanks for listening, guys. Hope you had a great day trading. Remember, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I will speak to you guys soon.